Alright, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about a trade recap. This recap is about today. This Tuesday, 24th of June 2025, right? So I took this trade today. I had entered around 8 in the morning, I'm pretty sure, and I had exited out at 8:35 right after market had opened for New York session, right? I caught this 1 to 2 RR on gold, right? And I'm gonna show you step by step on why I joined, step by step on what to mark and what to see before you execute a trade. All right. So first things first, I went to the higher time frames, right? Went to the higher time frames to see what trend we were on. All right, we were trying to see if we were on an uptrend or a downtrend, or if the market was going to be ranging. All right, so I went to the 4 hour, and as you guys could tell, we were on a downtrend. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and with today 5 bearish 4 hour candles. Okay, so I was like, all right, we are definitely going back down. Like, we are definitely gonna continue to go down, right? So on the 1 hour, same thing, right? We're on a downtrend. Okay, now let's look at the 5 minute. Okay, on the 5 minute right here, we have a support and resistance zone. All right, basically our floor and our roof. All right, so we had a floor right here. Sorry, wait, hold up, give me a second. All right, so we had our floor right here, and we have our roof up here, right? If price decided to break through our roof, this would have been our floor. We would have waited for the retest, and then we would have found either a demand zone in order for us to take to the upside, right? But we didn't. Price decided to break our floor, decided to, and now whenever it breaks that floor, it became our roof. Okay, and like I said, price decided to break our floor, decided to become a roof now. And now, as you guys can see right here, we had a demand zone as well, which I had marked out. And we had this support, I mean, not the support, our floor becoming a roof, as well as an idea that the price is going to continue to go down. Okay, so we had our supply zone, and we also had a floor, right, becoming a roof. Okay, and as well, we also had a 1 hour demand, right, I mean supply right here. We had a 1 hour supply right here. Okay, it had tapped as well, right? So am I gonna really take the 1 hour supply? No. Why? Because we trade on the 5 minute. I trade on the 5 minute. So I basically just I look at the lower time frames and I mark out the 5 minute. But I do look at the 1 hour supply and demand just to give me an idea if there's actually going to be more support for a 5 minute, right? Because the higher time frames are way stronger. But like I said, if you mark out a 1 hour supply, that basically means that you're going to have a higher stop loss, right? So, like I said, we marked out the 1 hour. It gave me an idea. We also had this 5 minute. We had our floor becoming our roof, right? So I deleted the 1 hour box, and so I just stick to the 5 minute because why? It had tapped our 1 hour supply, our 5 minute supply, and it also broke through our roof. I mean, our floor, it had broke through our floor, becoming our roof, okay? And we also had break of structure. We also had a gap in between our zone right here, between this red candle and this third candle right here. We had a gap in between our zone, and we also had rejection in our candles, and we had break of structure, okay? Those are the things that are going to basically confirm on why I joined that trade, right? We need to look for all those things in order for you to execute that trade. Not every single time there's going to be a support and resistance zone, but like I said, other than that, all those other things that I just mentioned, you have to have in order for you to execute the trade. Okay, and also following the trend, right? Following the trend is one of the major key factors into trading. Why is that? Because trading is basically you are have to following the trend. You don't have to follow these banks. You have to follow the people that are controlling these markets. Okay, and so right now, like I said, we also had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 rejections, okay? We had 6 rejections into our zones, right? If that doesn't give you the idea that you should join this trade, then I don't know what is, okay? You're supposed to be joining this trade. 6 rejections, like that literally indicates that the price is going to go down, okay? Right? Like I said, 1 or 2 minimum, so this was our 1 or 2. Right, I joined off of break of the candle. I didn't join a sniper entry. Why is that? Because um I just didn't. I have to be more careful joining off break of the candle now because ever since Donald Trump came into office, the markets have been a little bit more risky, more market manipulation, more fake outs and things like that. So now I just been joining off of a break of the candle. All right, so as you guys can see here, broke the candle. I was in profit for a little bit. It was rejecting. I was on drawdown. And then all of a sudden, price decided to push down to our 102 TP. Okay, I was going to go for the 103. But then I don't know why, what happened. I just decided to stick to this 102 minimum, right? Like I said, 102 minimum. If you're going to leave a runner, then that's fine, right? But for me, it was a 102. But yeah, that is going to be my trade recap for this video. If you guys want to take the exact same trades, I be doing one free signal every single week. I do one free live trading video on my Discord as well. So yeah, I do live trades on my Discord. I do free signals every once a week for you guys. And if you guys join the premium, that's basically every single day live trades, every single day free signals, okay? And also you can ask me questions on there as well. If you guys have any questions, if you guys are wondering, if you guys have anything in mind, you could just ask me on my premium. And yeah, but other than that, you guys could just join the free Discord. You can chat with me in there as well. Right, I'm not gonna be responding like that, but you guys can chat with me on there as well. Okay, but like I said, join the premium if you guys want to actually take the same trades and make some money. If you guys want to join independently and want to trade independently, my course is out on my link in my bio as well, right? I have a course down there. I'm not really selling it, but if you guys want to purchase it, then that's fine. If you guys want to buy it, that's fine. If you guys want to learn it independently, go ahead, because why? Trading is a business. If you guys want to learn actual trading and actually want to take this seriously and make some money, then that's fine. You can also do the same, right? You can just trade independently and learn independently, right? But like I said, follow my Instagram, follow my TikToks, follow my Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.